Alright guys, it's time for slime recipe number 2. This one's called Fluffy Slime. And the cool thing about this slime recipe is it follows the same basic recipe and formula as our first slime, except we're going to add a couple extra ingredients into it, and you end up with something that's totally different and a totally different consistency. It's much fluffier and it's fun to play with too. So here's what you need to follow this recipe. Glue, mixing bowls, water, borax, an assortment of food dye, a half cup, a tablespoon and a teaspoon, a stirring stick, shaving cream, foamy hand soap, hand lotion, cornstarch. That's it. Let's get sliming.